Hey everybody, it's me again. I just want to come to you today. I'm sitting on my back porch right now, enjoying the sunshine and the warm weather. But today I want to talk to you about this. This is Plexus BioCleanse. A lot of people don't know about this, and if they do, uh, they don't really make that much of a to-do about it. But this has been a lifesaver for me. Um, it says on the bottle, BioCleanse is a specifically formulated magnesium oxide compound with oxygen enhancement and vitamin C with bioflavonoids. Okay, that's a lot of hoopla for saying that it's got a lot of stuff in it that nobody knows what it does. Here's what it actually does. It helps to oxygenate the entire body. Where you might say, well, why do I need to oxygenate my body? Why does my body need oxygen? Your bloodstream needs oxygen in order to kill off all of the dirty microbial viral things that are in there. When that oxygen gets into your body and gets into your bloodstream, it creates an environment of oxygen so that those microbes and all of those dirty things can't live there. They die off. And that's really good because some of the things that go through our bloodstream are pathogens that could lead to cancer. So it's a really good thing to keep your bloodstream clean, oxygenated. It also helps to remove plaque from your lower intestine and your arteries and things like that. Another thing that it says on here is that it energizes both physically and mentally. It enhances weight loss, supports collagen production. That's good for everybody who wants clear skin. Helps neutralize acidic conditions that may promote pathogens. And the one that probably everybody has the most question about, it relieves constipation. Okay, this is not the antichrist of Imodium. Okay, I heard somebody describe it like this here a while back, because a lot of people are saying, oh my gosh, if I take this and I'm constipated, it's going to have the opposite effect. No. It's kind of like this. When you're at an airport, there's an air traffic controller that's there that's directing all of the planes as they're coming in and as they're leaving. That air traffic controller is very important, because if he's not there directing traffic in and out, well then you're going to have a catastrophe, and then the airport's going to get constipated. So I kind of look at BioCleanse, since I've heard that analogy, I kind of look at BioCleanse as the air traffic controller of my intestines. It tells things when to go, and it kind of controls the things that come in and helps to promote that digestive health, to help everything move along at just the right pace. So if you haven't gotten your BioCleanse yet, I would encourage you to do so. I'm going to be giving you some more products and kind of a rundown of the rest of our products in the days to come. But this is probably the least talked about product that Plexus has. I take it every day. I take 2 every morning. A lot of people take theirs at different times during the day. I don't think it really matters at what point you take it during the day. But anyway, it's just a really good thing. And if you have any questions, always feel free to message me or email me. I'd be glad to answer any questions that you might have in regards to this or any of our other products. So that's all for today. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a good day. I know I'm going to, because look at this. Isn't that beautiful?